Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add friends to your room on the Clubhouse application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, open the room that you have created and tap on the Add Friends button in the middle of the screen. As you can see, you have a bunch of options. You can search friends or contacts by typing in their name into this box, or you can also share. Tap on the share button and then you can forward an invitation link via messages. All you have to do is typing in the name of the person you would like to invite, or also via Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Gmail, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.